Hi, I am Dr. V. R. Nagarajan, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science, Karpagam Academy of Higher Education. Today, we are going to see in this session is list, set, tuple and dictionary. So far, we have completed by introduction to Python, data types, functions, operators, and strings. We have completed all those things. Now, we are in the data structure concept, that is of, again I am saying this, list, tuple, set and dictionary. Today we are going to see all these things. These four things comes from data structure concept. Comes from data structures. Now we are going to see about the list concept, how we are going to implement it. List is used to initialized by the open and close square bracket. This denotes that we are starting with the list. This symbol denotes that we are starting with the list, because in tuple we will be having a braces, in set we will be having a curly braces, in dictionary also we will be having curly braces. By using this denotations, we can say that whether it is a set, tuple or a list. So now we are going to start with the list. So the list will be beginned by using the square brackets. I can have n number of elements in the list. The elements or the values are considered as items in the list. We can say that as an element, or we can say that as a data, or we can say that as a value. All those things will be considered as an items in a given list. Then it is ordered. It is ordered. It means that it starts with the starting value will be 0 and the ending will be n minus 1. Say for an example, if I am going to give 10 values or 10 items, then the starting position will be 0 and the ending position will be 9. The indexed value is 0 to 9. So we can say this as an ordered process. Then next is I can change the list. I can have a changeable. I can have a change in the list. If, say for an example, if I am saying that number of 1 equal to 2, later I want to change this into equal to 10, the value or the data of the position, that is of second position, will be changed by the value. This is the changeable. Then duplicates. I can have n number of tens. I can have n number of tens in my list, or any number can be repeated in the list. This is the three major process. So how to initialize or how to start with the list, then how to use the ordered list, then changeable, then duplicates. These are all the 4 points. It is very main in the list concept. Now I am going to say about how to declare or initialize the list. We can give the name my_list equal to open square braces. If it is a number, then I can give like this. If it is a same name, if it is a string, then I can use double quotes. Then I can use double quotes, or I can use the single quotes. Even I can have a mixed list. Even I can have a mixed list. Say for an example, 1 Rama, 2 Nathan to Nathan. Say for the first example is for numeric value. The second two examples is for string values. That is, we can use this double quotes and also the single quotes, anything like that. The third example is the combination of numerics and string values. So we can have any type of list. We may have separately we may have numbers, or separately we may have strings, or separately we may have, or we can have a combination of number and a name. Fine. Now I am going to access the list. I have been stated my list, that is of numeric list, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I am going to access this list. Print my underscore list of 1. So my value starts at 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now the position 1, the 1 indicates that the position, so my output will be 2. So my output will be 2. If I want to remove the process, then also I can remove it. Now I am going to say about the functions we have. Append, remove, sort, length, reverse. So these are all the common functions available. These are all some common functions available in list. Append is nothing but adding the value to the list. Say for an example, my list dot append of 5. So my list will be appended with the number 5. Then my list dot append of 6. So the 6 will be appended. Now my list will be like this. 5 and 6 will be added to my process. So here I will be having 4 and 5. My index will be changed to 4 and 5. Now I am going to remove it. What will happen? Here the number 5 will be removed, or the fifth element will be removed. Which will be happening? Here it will be removing the fifth element. Here it will be removing the fifth element. That is the last element that has been updated will be removed from the list. Last element will be removed from the list. Okay. This is the appending and removing of the list. So how to define a list? What are the main process of a list? Then how to access the list and how to remove the list has been completed. Now the second topic we are going to see about tuple. The tuple starts with open and close parenthesis. Here it is an ordered one, unchangeable, allow duplicates. This is also similarly executes like a list, but the process is, the difference is, and the first process is we have to change the symbol for the initialization of tuple. Then we have the list is a changeable one, tuple is unchangeable one. It is also allows duplicates, list will not allow duplicates. These are all the major differences between list and the tuple. How to define it? Again, my underscore tuple equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similar process, instead of putting a square bracket, if we have started using with the curly open parenthesis, then open and close parenthesis, then that is considered as an tuple. All the process will be executed in the tuple also, like list. Here also we can use single quotes. Here also we can have a mixed tuple. Here also we can have mixed tuple. If I want to create a tuple with a single element, or I want to create a list with a single element, then I can write like this, comma. If it is a list, then I can go with the square bracket and I can put comma and I can close the list. So this is the opening of a list and this is the closing of a list. This is the opening of a tuple and this is the closing of a tuple. I am having a single element by having a comma. So the comma denotes that the list is continuing. If I am not giving the comma, then this is considered as a single variable and it will my tuple will be assigned by 1. So if I am printing 1, then I will be getting simply I will be getting 1. If I am printing like this, my tuple, my output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this will be my output. If I am using like this, if I am not using a comma, then if I want to print the same, then 1 will be printed simply. Instead of having open and close parenthesis, I will be getting the output called 1. This denotes that it becomes a variable, not a tuple. This is the process of tuple and list. The third point is set. And the fourth is dictionary. The set and dictionary denotes by a curly braces, open and close curly braces. Here, this is unordered. This is also unordered. This is unchangeable. Changeable. Then no duplicates. No duplicates. This is the basic concept of a set and dictionary. The set and dictionary starts with curly braces. The slight difference in the dictionary is we will be having a colon between the description and name and the description. So before the colon, the left side of the colon is considered as a name. Right side the colon is considered as a description. So if I want to start with, then I can use this. But the set is not having that concept. Here we have the name and the description concept. The left side of the colon is considered as an name and the right side of the colon is considered as a description. Here both the things are unordered. Here we are not having any indexed concept. So the set is unchangeable and the dictionary is changeable. If I want to add something more, then I can give some more descriptions. Say for an example, I am going to create a dictionary for a car. If I can say that the color of a car, then the model of the car, then the year of the car, then whether it has 6 airbags or 4 airbags or 1 airbag, what are the safety measures we have. So we can add some more things, or I can cut down some things, something else to not be disclosed. So these are all the process can be handled in the dictionary. Dictionary means I will be giving a name and I will be giving some meaning to that name, or I am adding some colors to that name. That's it. So unchangeable, here it is a changeable process. Then no duplicates is allowed in both the process. Let me conclude before that. tuple and list. I will be drawing this. The tuple is opened by using open and close curly braces. Here we will be having a square brackets. This is ordered. This is also ordered. Here changeable. This is unchangeable. Duplicates allowed. Duplicates allowed. Duplicates allowed. Duplicates allowed. So this is the basic differences between these set, dictionary, list and tuple. Now let me come to the list set again. How to access it? How to access it? If I want to create a set. So as usual, I will be creating like this. My underscore set is equal to open curly braces 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is my set. Now I want to add to my new set, new value to my set. Dot add of 5. So this is going to be, the number will be added to my set, that is of, so my set print my underscore set. Now the output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be my output. Now I want to remove it. Now I have added it. Now I am going to remove it. My underscore set dot remove of 5. So the element 5 will be removed. The element 5 will be removed. Now I am going to print it. So that my output will be 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be my output because I have removed the value of 5. Now, so this is the accessing and executing part of the set. Now the same process we are going to see for the dictionary. My underscore dick. Single quotes. Name. Ram Kumar. Then put comma. I am going to add a age. 30. I am going to close it. So I am having two elements or two items or two values in the dictionary. First item is name, second item is age. If I want to print it, print my underscore dick, then I will be getting the output the same as my output. Now, if I want to update this dick, update of curly braces, then color black, color is black. If I want, again I am printing my Dick. Print my underscore Dick. Now my output will be like this. My output will be name, Ram Kumar, comma, age 30, comma, color black. So this will be my output. Now if I am using the del, that is of delete delete dot del dot my underscore Dick of name. My output will be, again I am printing it, print my underscore Dick. Now I will be getting the output like the name will be removed. Here I have given the name, so the name will be removed and I will be getting only output as age 30, comma, color black. So my name will be removed or it has been deleted from the list. So this is about the list, tuple, set and dictionary of the day. I am concluding that today we have completed the data structure concepts of list, set, tuple and dictionary by today. Thank you.